Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I did the burnt cake. Now I have two kinds of paper in my hand. I have a frosting sheet and a wafer paper. The frosting sheet is the Hello 30 and the wafer paper is the RIP 20s. We're going to take the frosting sheet and put it on top of the cake. Make sure it's secured properly on there. Then we're going to pipe 2 rings of buttercream around the frosting sheet so that we can have a barrier between the wafer paper and the frosting sheet. And that's basically it. And now you just design the cake how you want to. I'm gonna put a border on top of it to prevent that from showing. But that's basically it. It's very simple. You just design the cake now however you want, and this is my final product.